Hi guys, I hope you are well. In this quick tutorial, we want to talk about the new command in Rhino 8, which is ShrinkWrap. What is the usage of this command? For example, we have a group of objects like these two objects, a sofa and a table, which you can download it easily from our website, eprhino.com. And for example, you want to add a continuous cover to them. Before I show you that, let me turn off the mesh wires here. I can come to the display mode and I can switch off the mesh wire. As you can see, we have a better view now, and we want to add a continuous object to be like this. Because I have converted this to sub-D, let me switch off the sub-D wires, and now you can see a cover for both of our objects. How can we create that? Very easy and quickly. So let me delete that. The ShrinkWrap command, which is added in Rhino 8, is also in both new in V8 toolbar, which you can find it here, ShrinkWrap, and you can also find it in Mesh Tools, which is also here. Okay, let me click on that, or you can write it in command bar, no difference. We should select our object at first, so I select this object and this one as well, and I click OK. Now, for a better result, let me turn on the preview mode and let me come to the top view. You can see this would be our new surface, but it hasn't covered our objects. So we should adjust these numbers. The offset would be the number that how long, based on your unit, which our unit is meter, this surface exceed from our object. So for the offset, I will choose 0.1 because our unit is meter. I want 10 centimeters, so I choose 0.1. Now you see we have 10 centimeters offset from our objects, and for the target edge, the lower number would give us more curvature, but we should adjust and find the best number we try. So I will put 0.05, and you see we have more curvature in our surface. And let me change it to 0.08. This curvature here doesn't matter because at the end I want to convert it to a sub-D surface. For the offset, let me choose a lower one like 0.05. Now you see there is a gap between these two objects because I chose a lower number. So let me put it to same 0.08. Now you see there is a continuous cover for both objects. Now I click OK and I come to perspective. And as you can see, we have a continuous cover for our objects. But to be more realistic, I don't want these parts because I want something like a fabric cover on our objects. If I come to the properties panel, as you can see here, it's a closed mesh. So what should I do? I come to a side view like front, or the right would be better. I come to the surface menu, plane, and cutting plane. I draw a line. I hold the shift key to be a straight line, and I click OK. Now I come to perspective view, and because we have mesh, we need mesh trim. And here, I deselect all objects and I click on mesh trim. I select the cutting object, click enter, and I choose the parts of objects that I don't want. Click here and I click enter again to quit the command. Now I can delete this surface as well. And what you can see is a surface. Oh, we have some parts here as well. Now I can convert it to a sub-D surface, which give us more smooth results. While I have selected the object, I come to the sub-D menu, and from object, I skip the option and keep it in the default mode, and I click enter. Now it has created subd surfaces, and while the mesh surfaces has been selected, I put the delete key to delete that. Now we have subd surface. And now if I come to subd tools, and here I click on selection filter edge, I come to here and select this edge, but I want a continuous edge on the whole edges, so I should double click on that. And now we can move the edges like this, and let me come to the bright view. Yep, that's it. And we have made our cover to our objects with the ShrinkWrap command. So if you are using Rhino 8, don't forget to use this new command. For more tutorials, join our channel. See you.